Now let's discuss how to destructure keys from the object. Let's create a new variable and it will be an object, and let's call it my computer using camel case notation, and its value will be an object, so let's use here object literal, and let's add here a couple of keys, for instance type, and its value will be laptop, and one more property RAM, and let's set its value to 16 for instance. And now I could create two new variables called type and RAM based on those keys of this object. Of course, I could access particular keys using dot notation and create new variables using different lines of code. For instance, const type equals sign my computer dot type, and on the next line const RAM equals sign my computer dot RAM, like that. And let's print to the console type and RAM. Let's save changes and I get laptop and 16. That's the first way of creation of the new variables based on the keys of the object. But similarly as with arrays, you could use object destructuring feature. Let me comment those lines, and let's here write following. Const, in curly braces, as you might guess, we type names of the variables, type and RAM. Next will be equal sign operator, and on the right side will be name of the variable, it is an object, and we will destructure keys from my computer object. Let's save changes and I get exactly the same result. Now there are two new variables, type and RAM, and they have corresponding values laptop and 16. Notice that order here does not matter, because order of the keys in the object does not matter as we saw before. That's why you could very easily change order here and type RAM and type like that. And now I get the same result. Type is laptop and RAM is 16. But of course, when you perform such kind of object destructuring, such keys should be present in this object. If you change RAM to RAM2 here and here, we change name of the variable we declare and save changes. Of course, value of the RAM2 variable will be undefined. Why? Because there is no such key in this my computer object. That's why when you perform destructuring of the objects, you need to use exactly the same names of keys that are present here in the object. So let's get back to RAM here and here like that. And now I get correct result 16. That's destructuring of the objects.